Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change the Windows Explorer startup screen. So instead of opening the Explorer and it opens quick access right now, it will open this PC. So every time you open the File Explorer, it will open this PC. But by default, it opens quick access. Okay, so how do you do that? Well, in your File Explorer, you go to View and then left click Options and then move your cursor over to open File Explorer 2, and where it says quick access, click on that, change it to this PC, and then you want to click apply and then OK. Now to test it, close that and then open the File Explorer, and as you can see there, it's opened this PC automatically. So if I go into it again, you can see it always is on this PC, which is what I want. In most cases, is what you want. But if you're one of the 15% people who still want a quick access, just go back into that menu and change it to quick access. But most people will want to start the File Explorer in this PC anyway. So that's how to change the File Explorer startup screen from quick access to this PC. I hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be doing more Windows tutorials in the future. Thanks.